This video isn't financial advice, and Will is not your financial guru, so make sure to do your own due diligence. And now, let's begin.
Hello everyone, this is Will at Leaders Road. Welcome to the channel and welcome to this video where I'm going to talk about Jonny Blockchain. I want to give you some valuable information, especially for those that are planning to join this opportunity. Almost 3 months for me using this service, so I want to give you my honest feedback. I want to explain how the whole system works. I want to explain the real cost involved in this service, how much you need to prepare before you start to run the automation. I hope this video can help you to decide whether this is a good opportunity for you or not. Before we go there, I want to invite you to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you in advance for your support. And if you want to get in touch with me, and if you need help to get started, you can find me on my open Telegram group. The link is in the description of this video. So if you are new, let me give you just a quick recap about Jonny Blockchain. This is the first decentralized crypto trading bot that you can use with PancakeSwap or Uniswap. You can do that through your MetaMask wallet, and you also have the option to use your Binance account. Jonny Blockchain is a fully automated system that is only going to trade on our behalf. We need to pay a subscription and some service fees to use this system. They are not only running this profitable automation, but they have decided to walk the extra mile, giving us a list of the recommended coins in the market. So we don't need to do any crypto market research. They are covering all of this, so that's amazing. Here you're going to find another plus. They have a very organized user's guide with all the steps that we need to follow on video. Those videos are short, are super easy to follow. And if at any point you need assistance, they have an open Telegram group. Here they have a track record going from 19th of January 2023, but actually start to become popular around 3-4 months ago. During this time, they generate over 100,000 in passive profits. They have a successful trade rate sitting in 98%, zero profit trades sitting at 0.5%, and negative profits only 1.1%. The system is designed to protect our assets, so it's no liquidations, and we don't need to think about stop loss, open positions. All we need to do is subscribe, add some capital to our bots, and let it run. I want to show you now why this might not be a good option for you. Jonny Blockchain is not suitable for people seeking to get rich quick. This is just a service that is going to help us to put our money to work for us. And that is going to lead us to the second reason, which is people seeking for fixed daily returns. Jonny Blockchain is doing real trading, so the results depends on the market. No one can predict the future. That's why they cannot offer fixed daily returns. In my previous videos, I've been showing my results in the last few weeks, the last few months. Lately, I've been growing a lot because, well, in some of my bots, I'm compounding. I'm also collecting profits from other bots to open new automations. Your average returns depends on many conditions: your capital, lot size, market conditions, the timing. So you have to consider all of that. Now, the third reason is very important. This might not be suitable for you if you are not willing to learn. And if you are not willing to follow the guide, then this opportunity is not for you. It's not difficult, and we are here to help you, but you need to watch the videos first before you go and ask the same questions over and over again. Now, if you don't like subscription models, this is not for you. We need to pay only once a year, only 25 USDT for the subscription. You can use as many bots as you want. And we also need to pay the service fee for those profitable trades. But if you're looking for just a one-thing payment, then this is not for you. And the last one, blockchain transaction fees. There are charges every time they perform a trade. It's only a very small fraction. Of course, if you have bigger capital, the fees are going to increase. But if you are receiving profits, you're going to be covering all of that from those profits. There is also a fee inside Jonny Blockchain of 25% on profitable trades. They are going to charge this every week. They are producing profits for us passively. So I think 25% to cover those fees, it's all right. But if you don't like this, then this type of opportunity is not for you. Now let's talk about who might be suitable for this opportunity. And I already mentioned most of this. People looking for a profitable automated system. You don't need any experience doing trading. You don't need to think about open, close positions, if the market goes up, if the market goes down, lot sizes, none of that. This is a user-friendly system, and if you're looking for that, then this is for you. Complete decentralized automation. We can use Jonny Blockchain with Binance, the biggest centralized exchange in the world. But if you are the type of person that is looking for full control with your own private keys, if you don't trust any centralized platform, especially now that they are planning to have new regulations, well, right here, you can use this system completely decentralized. You can have full control using your MetaMask wallet. So that's a big plus right there. Again, you have full control of your capital with the decentralized exchange or centralized exchange. All you need is BNB to pay fees and your capital in USDT. The system is going to swap the tokens, is going to trade with those tokens. That's basically how it works. We have full transparency and assistance. You can see real faces. We know who is the CEO. His name is Jeremy Roche. If you have any issue with your account, you can open a ticket and his team is also answering fast. We also have the open Telegram community where we can throw all our questions. And the last one, we have access to a recommended list of tokens. There is a lot of noise out there, right? People telling you, you have to invest on this coin, invest on that one, buy this one now, sell that one now. With Jonny Blockchain, they are doing all of that super easy. We just need to come here to trends and you will find a list of the most profitable tokens with the stats of the last 30 days, 7 days, 24 hours, or even the ones with the most popularity inside Jonny Blockchain. Now, let me talk to you about the cost. And this is the cost before you put any capital to work for you. I'm talking about the subscriptions, the fees. Some people got confused about this, but let me explain to you how that works. So if you want to get the DEX bot, which is the one using your MetaMask wallet, here I'm going to show you the cost involved. First, we need to pay the yearly subscription. That is going to cost you 25 USDT. Inside Jonny Blockchain, we have two wallets. This is a USDT wallet, and this box is a BNB wallet. We are going to use this wallet to pay the service fees, and we are going to use this one to pay the fees for the DEX bot. Every week, they are going to deduct 25% of your profitable trades from this wallet. So let's assume we have only 10 USDT there. Now we need some BNB to pay the DEX fees, which is right here, a minimum of 0.04 to get started. That is more or less right now a 21 USDT. And because you are using your MetaMask wallet, those ones are the gas fees in the blockchain. Let's say we are putting here only 10 worth of BNB. All right. So right there, we need to pay 66 USDT before we add any capital to this bot. All right. Now let's say you are only interested in the Binance bot. Well, you need to pay the 25 USDT for that subscription. Still, we need the Jonny Blockchain wallet loaded with 10 USDT to pay those service fees. We also need BNB in our MetaMask wallet. Why do I need to have a MetaMask wallet if I'm going to use only the Binance bot? Well, the only way we can top up this wallet to pay the subscription and to reload this balance to pay the SSF is by using our MetaMask wallet. So even if you are using only Binance, you still need to have MetaMask wallet. All right. Also, inside our Binance account, we need to have some BNB. That is to pay the gas fees inside Binance. So I'm putting another 0.04 BNB, which is around 21 USDT, just the same like this one. And that is going to cost 66 USDT. This is only to set up the bot without any capital yet. Now, what if I want to use both automations? I want to use the DEX bot and the Binance bot. In that case, you need to pay 25 USDT for the DEX bot and another 25 USDT for the Binance bot. Still, we need some balance to pay the SSF. Let's put there 10. We need BNB to pay the DEX fees, another 21. We also need BNB to pay the Binance fees, another 21. And remember, we are using in both scenarios our MetaMask wallet. Using both bots is going to cost you 112. This amount is not used for trading. This is only to pay the service and the fees. So what about the minimum amount to run one bot? I was talking to one of the leaders yesterday, and he told me one of his downlines has 83 bots with a minimum of 20 USDT in each one of those bots. I don't know if having bots of 20 USDT makes sense after you are paying this amount to get started. Personally, I like to start with a minimum of 100 in each one of the bots, and my initial lot size is 20 USDT, which is a 20% of my full amount. Some others are starting bots with 50 USDT, so let's assume 50 is the minimum amount, and I can show you that right here. So total allocated funds right here is 50 with an initial lot size of 10. This strategy is called martingale. So basically we are using here our 50 USDT. I have a full video where I'm showing my results in the last 2 months. I'm showing all my settings. If you want to see how to set it up and probably emulate my results, I'm going to put that video right here in the top corner. Something very important, you might have an issue later on when you are running your bots. Doesn't matter if you put only 50 USDT or 500 or 5,000. Your bot at some point might stop. You will have an error that says not enough USDT. The reason why is because the bot is going to keep buying positions, and if you don't have enough USDT, the bot is going to turn off. In order to prevent that, I recommend to add another 20% extra to your capital, and that is going to prevent this situation to happen. This is actually what I've been doing. So you actually have not only 50, but you have 60 USDT, but inside the bot, you only allocate 50. The other 10 is just in standby in case you need to cover these extra positions. All right. So that would be, in my opinion, the minimum amount to get started. First, I got started with 500, but my capital inside my MetaMask wallet was actually 600. I put another 100, as I told you, just to cover those extra positions. With bigger capital, you will have the chance to have bigger lot sizes that can give you bigger returns. With lot sizes of 5 USDT, you can move the price up to 6%. With lot sizes of 50, the price is going to move up only at 1.33%, giving you 4.5 more trades. And if you have lot sizes of 100, that is going to move up your price to 1.6%, giving you 6.36 more trades. I have another video where I explain all of this in detail, but basically my point is, by having bigger lot sizes, you can have more opportunities to trade. I hope this video helped you to understand all the costs involved in this opportunity. If you are curious about this system, if you want to give it a try, if you need some help along the way, you can find me on my open Telegram group. The link is in the description of this video. I hope you found some value here. And before we go, I want to invite you to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much in advance for your support, and I hope to see you in the next one. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. I'll see you around.